Hello and thank you for joining us at Easy Cooking. Today we're gonna make Bulgarian Kebapche. For my non-Bulgarian friends that are watching, this is kind of a Bulgarian version of a shawarma, if anybody has had shawarma. It's basically made out of a ground pork with some seasonings, and it's shaped like a sausage, and then we grill it. Before we continue with the video, please make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with friends and family if you like the recipes, and let's see what we need for today. Ground pork, cumin, black pepper, salt, and light beer. So let's get started. First, we're gonna pretty much just dump everything inside our beef. I said beef.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna dump everything inside our pork. It's fairly easy. Again, channel name is Easy Cooking. So everything is very easy. I'm gonna put the beer in there. And we're gonna start mixing. They are supposed to be a little soft. That's why we put a little bit of beer in there. And of course the pork is a little greasier than beef. So we should hopefully get some decent little kebapches. Also you can call them Bulgarian shawarmas or whatever you want. Dinner sausages, Bulgarian style, with no casing. And they're one of my favorites, and of course my girls love them too. You know what? Today we're gonna put a little bit of breadcrumbs today. Our meat is getting a little too runny. This is a little too runny here. We want to be able to shape our dinner sausages. Sometimes I do that when I make burgers and I experiment, or even if it's a recipe that I know, I put a little bit of breadcrumbs. So let's do that. That's about a quarter cup. We don't need more than that. Let's see if that's enough. Just to thicken the meat a little bit and make it easier to make your shape your sausage. Oh, and that's just plain breadcrumbs. It's not seasoned. Just plain breadcrumbs. And you want to make sure that you mix everything well, so you can kind of squeeze everything. Make sure the seasonings are evenly distributed. You don't want clumps of just seasoning some places and other places to have no flavor. Okay, that should be good. That just did the trick. Now it's a little more thick. It's a little now it's a little thicker, and we should be able to work with it. All right. Again, it's very easy, very quick. As you saw, this only took a few minutes. And the sausages, honestly, can be whatever size you want. You don't have to make them too big or too small, whatever your desire is. Okay, and this is what you get. It's kind of like the length of my hand. I don't make them any bigger because it'd be hard to shape and mold. I'll just line them up over here. And that's it. You can see what we have here, and now we're gonna head out to the grill. Grill's ready. Make sure that it's nice and hot because you want to sear your sausages before finishing the cooking process. Otherwise, if you put them on cold grill, they're not gonna turn out all right. So let's get going here. They're looking good.
You almost need to like flip them end to end too, because where they're touching in the middle is cooking more than the back side.
Okay, I can stop now. Things just came off the grill, and I want to show you how we arrange things in my country, Bulgaria. Basically, this is a Bulgarian plate arrangement when you eat that type of sausage or even a burger. You get some tomatoes, some cucumbers, sprinkle some salt on them. This is a chunk of feta cheese, and of course, vegetable dip called lutenica. If you live in the Metro Detroit area, you can find it at the Bulgarian market, Nessie Foods, and it's very good. So let's dig in. It smells really good. And you can see they're very nice and juicy. I'm gonna lift this one up for you to see. It's very nice and juicy. It's very soft. It's not dry. And basically we like to kind of mix a little bit of feta cheese, some of the vegetable dip, and get some of the meat. Those are very good. Just like they're supposed to. Taste from back home, from back in the day. It's a fantastic recipe. You can't really tell that there's beer in it, but the flavor that it gives it is very nice. It's really good. I'm gonna finish my plate. You guys enjoy your night. See you next time.